brace yourselves. This week we have two cold fronts approaching the country. The first one only sliding over the southwestern Cape on Monday, bringing some light showers and cooler conditions. But a second stronger cold front expected to arrive on Tuesday, with this blast of ice-cold air spreading across the country throughout this week. Now, most of the rain associated with this cold front will fall over the western regions of the northern and the western Cape. In the yellow to red areas coming through, some heavy rainfall is possible, with scattered showers and thunderstorms also likely in parts of the eastern Cape, the southern Drakensberg and Lesotho. Now, the Weather Service issued a warning for disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding for Tuesday over the western regions of the western Cape, so please be careful in those regions. Then we're also expecting a significant drop in freezing levels, with light snow possible late on Tuesday over the Cederberg Mountains in the western Cape, spreading to parts of the Karoo, and then overnight into Wednesday morning, most of the snow expected over the northern high-lying regions in the eastern Cape, around the southern Drakensberg and Lesotho. Now, we're also expecting strong winds with this cold front, with winds already picking up on Monday, blowing fresh to strong over the western interior as well as the southwestern coast. But on Tuesday, we are expecting gusting winds of up to 90 kilometers per hour over the western and central interior, and up to 60 kilometers per hour along the southern and the western coast. In these regions, the Weather Service issued multiple weather warnings for damaging winds and waves along the coast of the northern Cape, the western Cape and parts of the eastern Cape, with damaging interior winds expected over parts of northwest of Friese, the eastern Cape, the western and the northern Cape, causing difficult driving conditions and can lead to damages in structures, so please be careful. Now, we can already see cooler conditions in the southwestern Cape this Monday, with Cape Town reaching a high of only 19, but warm to hot conditions along the eastern coast as well as the Lowveld. On Tuesday, a significant drop in temperatures expected over the western region, Springbok reaching a high of only 11, Sutherland a high of only 9, but hot conditions now expected in the east, with 32 in Richards Bay and 34 in Skakuza. Then on Wednesday, we're expecting the cold conditions to spread across the country, except over the extreme eastern regions. Temperatures only in the lower teens expected over parts of the Cape provinces as well as the Free State, and only in the mid-teens for Gauteng, so please stay warm and be safe.